I'm going to tell you something that almost all of y'all are looking for. What is that? Do you want to make more money than you are already making? And just with a little bit of, wiggling around with numbers. Can you believe that? So today's guest for us today is, hello, Devashri, our numerologist. Actually, guys, she is my numerologist, and I'm here today partially because of all that she's done for me. So welcome, Devashri Thakur.
Hello everyone, myself Devashri Thakur. By profession, I'm a numerologist. My brand name is Anka Shastra 9. Each number speaks. My consultation takes place online and offline. I am based in Ahmedabad in Sabarmati.
When she started doing numerology and I started using your services, I saw differences in my life in almost less than 1 or 2 months. And that is when I really started following you and following everything that you were suggesting. So tell me how you came into this field of numerology. How did you get attracted to it? How did you grow yourself in it? And how are you able to help people today?
Saji, I was always inclined towards number. I don't know why. Since my childhood. So this was something which I always wanted to learn and I got time and I am still studying even more, learning new modalities and helping people.
New modalities means numerology is also of several kinds.
Yes, numerology is of many kind.
Okay, I do remember that you told me that you are giving me services, which is a combination of more than 3 or 4 different types of
Yes,
numerology
yes,
systems.
yes.
So, which are these different numerology systems
See,
that you're talking about?
Western numerology I follow mainly. Even Loshu I follow. Another is phrenology that is also called sound numerology.
And what is your brand name?
Anka Shastra 9.
And are you there on social media?
100%.
You're there on social media. So, if anybody wants to connect with you or hire you, will you be replying to messages on social media as
Yes.
well? And if the client is specifically having a problem, does
Yes.
numerology help that also? Or is it just to improve the quality of sales?
See, numerology is mainly to increase your finance. Secondly, it also helps in relationship and in health also to great extent.
Okay, so it's like an all-rounder, all
Yes.
360-degree. So I basically claimed to my subscribers that numerology can help them increase their sales. So what are the things that you do with the help of numerology that is actually going to help a person? Like I remember you made me say change the prices of my services.
Yes.
And I was having a lot of difficulty in actually getting the money back from my clients. But
Hmm.
since I wrote down the prices that you have told me, I don't have to ask my client the second time. I mean,
Yes.
it just comes into my Paytm or GPA. So that is something that I shared with my clients, and that is what I want you to tell clients that how does it work and what is the philosophy behind it.
See, Sachi, in numerology, we do the calculation on only and only date of birth. We align a client's name according to their date of birth on a very strong compound number. Apart from that, we do the correction with the mobile number, bank account number, property number. If a property number is not good, so we don't ask them to change the property. We give them some good remedy which is equally workable. Apart from that, we tell them what prices they should keep if they are into some service or sales industry. So that matters a lot. So numerology works wherever there are numbers. Even you're sitting in an office, this is having a number. So number has to be very, very, very strong in order to attract good number of clients in your life.
Yeah, I confirmed with you whether this number was good enough, and you
Yes.
told me it was
Yes.
good, and I'm reaping the benefits. You're sitting with me today, so uh, I know that you started this practice of numerology around 4 to 5 years
Yes,
back,
almost
and
5 years.
you're upgrading yourself every month. I'm aware of it. Whenever I talk to you, there is always something new that you're adding to your repertoire, and it is something related to numerology.
Yes.
So, what is new right now? What is the latest thing that you've added?
Sachi, I keep on educating myself because I always feel empty mind is devil's workshop. So I keep on studying. It's been more than 4.5 years now in this field, and I'm still learning new modalities. Latest is wristwatch analysis. With the help of wristwatch, you can attract magically good clients and good people into your life. It heals your health, relationship, money, everything.
Which are the others that you do?
I'm also scientific logo designer, wristwatch therapist, graphologist, graphotherapist, tarot card reader.
What is
And
graphotherapist?
with the help of handwriting, I can make out what is going in your life, what are the health issues a person is facing and how can a person overcome that.
What else?
Tarot card reading. I'm also crystal healer, pranic healer, akashic record reader and healer.
Okay,
So
all this over and above numerology.
yes, but my expertise is numerology, scientific logo designing, and wristwatch and
Okay,
tarot
these are
card
the.
reading. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
And I remember seeing your biodata that you also do sound numerology. I'm sure people know about numerology, but what is sound numerology?
so actually, sound numerology is something very important which all numerologists should know when designing a name. We have to see how many alphabets we can put in a client's name. For example, in my name there were four kinds of मतलब four E's. So that was giving me a certain kind of an health issue. So immediately I removed two E and I made it to I. So there are certain alphabets which should not be in a client's name for certain number of time. If I say about I, it also gives a kind of health issue if it is more than two times H. If you see Shah Rukh Khan, there are I think around four H in his name and he's having a chronic back pain problem. So this is something which a numerologist should know and we follow this immensely when we design a name.
It's not just changing the spelling, but even
Yes,
changing the pronunciation, which will
yes,
make a lot of difference.
yes.
And that's where sound numerology
And
comes
there are
in.
certain alphabets if I include in a client's name, he will earn like anything. So that we numerologists know which alphabet to add, which alphabet to eliminate.
Okay. I remember that the first one which you told me was twisting my name completely around,
Yes,
and I refused to do it, and you told me, please do it, please do it. And I remember doing it. I
yes,
remember doing it. Not only that, I think you gave me a series of numbers to actually write on the inner surface of my wrist. So
yes,
this is basically on circumstances, right?
yes.
And it changes from time to time, even for one person, even
Yes,
with the same
it is
birth number.
different. For example, if I'm writing certain number, maybe it is beneficial for me, not for you. So it depends from person to person what problem he or she is having in his life. Because along with numerology, I've added many other services also, which is compulsory in my session. I advise them switch words. I give them healing codes. I ask them to make certain angelic symbols on their hand. And I have also included gratitude, manifestation, and law of attraction, which plays a major role and it gives miraculous results.
Okay. So even simply changing your account number or mobile number can make a difference in your sales.
Major difference. If I talk about myself, I'm a big spendthrift. So whenever I get money, I expense. But after changing my mobile number, bank account number, I keep on getting money and I keep on expensing. So that is a very good thing, and a person should know what number is good for them because it is different for everyone. If a certain number
What about the
combination,
prices that you put on a product or a service?
yes,
Even that will make a
yes,
difference?
yes, yes.
Okay.
For example, nine number is good for me because I'm into spirituality, but nine number may not give you a good result, even if you're a number nine person. So it depends what
So there's
profession
a
you're
very
into.
deep study which
Yes,
goes into, it's not just about a birth number or a driver number. With
yes,
the kind of different numerologies you do, there's a lot of factors which are involved, and somebody with very deep knowledge of all those factors only will come up with the proper solution
yes,
for it.
100%.
Okay, so it's not as easy as it looks,
No,
that you calculate the
and
total of your birth numbers and you
no,
get
no,
your
no,
driver number and you
no,
get.
no.
I have
That
seen
is
people, she did it like that, so I'll do it like that. It does not
half
work, right?
knowledge is very
Very
dangerous.
dangerous,
They
very.
can they don't know how they're going to have like future, how will it be? Because if they do by themselves, it is very bad.
It may actually work negatively. If just changing
100%.
the number can increase your sales,
Yes,
changing the
because
number can
Sachi,
decrease
in
your sales as
numerology,
well.
not all compound numbers of 1 or 5 or say 3 or 6 are good. Each compound number is having different energy. If I talk about number 9, if a 9 number person is there born on 9th, that person will behave different. If a person is born on 18th, even it is coming to 9, his nature will be different. Even if a person is born on 27th, the nature is going to be different. So that we
Though their
people
number
know.
is 9,
Yes,
even then the
yes,
nature is going to be different.
yes,
No, I follow you on Instagram and I have seen the tips that you give at the beginning of the year
yes,
when you give
yes,
it to these 2 number people, 3 number people. But at the end of your show, you also mention that this differs from
person
person
to
to person
person,
depending
for
on a
sure.
lot of other
Yes,
permutations and
yes,
combinations. So I understood from there that though I am a 2 number, somebody who is arriving on 11
yes,
is also a 2 number,
yes,
but he will be totally different from
yes,
me,
for
and what
sure.
holds true for me may not hold true for him, and vice
Yes,
versa.
yes,
So
yes,
this is something that people need to keep in mind, right?
yes.
Okay, that is wonderful.
And the
But do you give this free tips regularly on your?
Instagram, yes, I keep on making beneficial video for the clients. For example, if a person is not my client and just my follower, they get benefit even from my reels also.
Okay,
Yes.
so by following you, at least a little bit of knowledge is possible, and that will tell them how much
And
deeper
you
to
know
go
what
into
is the
it.
best part, Sachi? I never advise any of my clients to get their name changed on papers. So people, they have a very big myth. Okay, if you're going to numerologist, documents may change karna padega. It is never like that. I ask them to write the name for certain number of times, which gives very powerful result. Because whenever I meet any of my client, this is the first question I always ask them, क्या आप अपना नाम लिख रहे हो? Because just by writing their name, you're manifesting beautiful things into your life. If I talk about about our mothers and grandmothers, they used to write Ram, 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 or Jai Shri Krishna daily in a certain copy. So what used to happen? They get positive vibes by writing the name. So when we design the name, we get the name to such a beautiful compound which gives them name, fame, money, and inner peace for sure. So if they write the name daily for certain number of time, they get miraculous results, and they have to write for the lifetime.
Devashri, is there anything that you would like to tell our guests which is very important related to your field about numerology, especially anything that you feel that people are doing wrong and will benefit just by a simple tip from you? Because your tips are wonderful all around.
Clients, whoever comes to ask for the consultation, the best part is they get results in 1 or 2 months. But there are many people, because in market, Sachi, nowadays I have seen many people are coming telling I'm a numerologist, but just by doing a small course, that is not correct. A person should
Yeah, I know a
always,
dozen at least.
yes, a person should always go to a learned numerologist for the best kind of results, because we have put our heart and soul into this since many years. So a person should be having knowledge of everything like Western numerology, Loshu numerology, sound numerology. Because I know many numerologists who are very good, but they don't have the knowledge of sound numerology. Because I have myself seen multiple such alphabets in their own name.
I have also come across people who say कि मेरा नाम तो बरसों से यही है,
Hmm.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा है. So now why change my name? And it is all humbug. That earlier there was
Ha.
nothing like that. So do you agree with that? I feel that we always had a Rashi. Rashi also has sound and numbers involved.
Yes.
So what do you have to say to those skeptics, who say that numerology has no bearing on your luck?
See, astrology is root of everything. It is the father of everything, but numerology is a thing which can give you success in very less time. And a person should have 100% faith when going to any occult practitioner. Because without faith, nothing happens. Even if Bhagwan Vishnu is standing in front of me, and if I don't believe he's Lord Vishnu, then I will miss the blessings which I was
He is like
supposed to
this.
get. So, trust is something very important a person should keep when going to any occult practitioner, whether it is numerologist, tarot card reader, astrologer. Because if a person's mentality is that nothing is going to work, then actually nothing will work for him. He is attracting more such things in life. Indirectly, he is doing law of attraction, but not in a positive way. Because law
Okay.
of attraction I include in my consultation, which takes place for 30 minutes. I've kept 30 minutes aside for making my clients understand how they can practice gratitude, how they can manifest, because manifestations of so many ways. So I give them the easiest way, and how they can follow law of attraction and attract whatever they wish to have in my life. Like if I talk about myself, 2 years back I had manifested to get award for the best numerologist. I got. Last year I had
Okay, tell us
manifested.
more about this award. When did you get the award?
I got last year. I got 2 to 3 awards. I got featured on newspaper, magazine. Last year I had manifested I want to come on TV, on radio. So that thing happened in 2023. So whatever you wish, it happens for sure. But you should know the technique of law of attraction. So this is included in my service.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's really
And it
nice.
gives me immense pleasure when somebody comes to me like my own clients कि मैम इसमें मुझे इतना फ़र्क पड़ा मेरा सेल्स इतना इंक्रीज हो गया. It gives me such a cloud nine वाला feeling, because it is like a mother feeling proud for their children. So I feel very happy when I see my clients getting miraculous results.
I am one of those miraculous clients of hers, and I completely agree with her. Thank you very much for spending so much of time with us, Devashri.
Most
And
welcome.
we hope to meet you again because I know you are multi talented and there are many other things that you do. So that we'll leave for another episode.
Yes.
But thank you very much for being with us today.